Things that make you irreplaceable. In a world that constantly whispers in our ears about the need to stand out, to carve our unique path, and to be simply irreplaceable, it's easy to feel lost in the noise. What does it really mean to be irreplaceable? Is it about possessing a rare skill and unforgettable personality, or is it something deeper, more intrinsic to our being? Grab a cup of your favorite beverage, make yourself comfortable, and join me on this journey of discovery. Let's unravel this mystery together, using simple words to paint a vivid picture that's as engaging as it is enlightening. Authenticity. At the very core of being irreplaceable is the raw, unfiltered essence of being authentically you. Imagine walking into a room and feeling the weight of expectations melt away, where you're no longer a prisoner to the masks we all wear. Authenticity is that breath of fresh air in a world suffocating under layers of pretense. It's about embracing your quirks, your flaws, and your unique perspectives, making you a beacon of genuineness in a sea of conformity. But why does authenticity make you irreplaceable? Picture this. In every interaction, every piece of work, and every word you speak, there's a signature, an invisible yet palpable mark of your essence. When you operate from a place of authenticity, you bring something to the table that's exclusively yours. It's like a chef whose dish carries a secret ingredient, making it unforgettable. Authenticity ensures that your presence, your work, and your influence are uniquely yours, impossible to replicate. It transforms you into a living, breathing original masterpiece in a world of duplicates. Empathy. Empathy, often mistaken as mere kindness or understanding, is a powerhouse of connection. It's the ability to not just walk in someone else's shoes, but to feel the stones beneath their feet, to share in their joy and their pain as if it were your own. Empathy builds bridges between seemingly distant shores, creating a world where understanding precedes judgment and connection trumps division. Being empathetic makes you irreplaceable because it allows you to see the world not just with your eyes, but through the hearts of others. Imagine being the person who not only listens but truly hears, who doesn't just look but deeply sees. This profound connection makes your presence a sanctuary for lost souls, a beacon of hope and despair. In a world that's quick to isolate and divide, your empathetic heart becomes a magnet, drawing people to you, not for what you can do, but for how you make them feel. You become a rare gem, cherished and irreplaceable, not for your skills or accolades, but for the warmth and sanctuary your presence provides. Continuous learning. The journey of learning is endless, a path that winds through the peaks and valleys of our lives, constantly shaping us, challenging us, and pushing us to grow. Continuous learning is not just about acquiring new skills or knowledge, but about nurturing a mindset that embraces change, seeks challenges, and celebrates the journey of growth. It's the willingness to be a perpetual student of life, curious and humble, always ready to explore the unknown. Why does this quest for knowledge and growth render you irreplaceable? Consider this. In a world that's constantly evolving, where today's innovation is tomorrow's history, the ability to adapt and grow becomes your superpower. Being a continuous learner means you're always expanding your toolkit, not just professionally but personally. You become a dynamic force, capable of navigating the winds of change, bringing fresh ideas and perspectives to the table, and inspiring those around you to embrace the journey of growth. Your value doesn't just lie in what you know today, but in your capacity to learn, adapt, and evolve tomorrow. In a sea of stagnation, your thirst for growth makes you a lighthouse of potential, guiding others towards the shores of their own untapped possibilities. Integrity. Integrity is the silent guardian of our character, the compass that guides us through the tempest of temptation and the seduction of shortcuts. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one's watching, holding onto our values with a vice-like grip, and standing tall in the face of adversity. Integrity is the foundation upon which trust is built, a currency more valuable than gold in the realms of relationships and reputations. Being a person of integrity makes you irreplaceable, because in a world riddled with deceit and fleeting loyalties, your word becomes your bond, a fortress of trustworthiness and reliability. Imagine being the person people turn to in their moments of doubt, the beacon of hope when the path seems enveloped in shadows. Your unwavering commitment to your principles not only sets you apart, but elevates you as a leader, a confidant, and a pillar of strength in your community. Your integrity becomes your legacy, a testament to your character that outlives the fleeting triumphs of deceit, making you truly irreplaceable. Passion. Lastly, passion is the fire that lights up the darkness, the relentless engine driving us towards excellence. It's not just about what you do, but how you do it, with every fiber of your being pulsating with enthusiasm and dedication. Passion transforms mundane tasks into missions, challenges into adventures, and setbacks into opportunities. It's the difference between a life lived and a life endured, a spark that ignites not only your path, but inspires those around you to find their own flames. Why does passion make you irreplaceable? Imagine a world where every task is touched with excellence, every challenge met with enthusiasm, and every setback seen as a stepping stone. Your passion not only elevates your work, but transforms you into a source of inspiration, a living example of what's possible when heart and dedication lead the way. Resilience. In the tapestry of traits that make one irreplaceable, resilience shines brightly. This is not just about bouncing back from setbacks. It's about how we transform our trials into triumphs, our losses into lessons. Resilience is the inner steel that enables us to face the storms of life, not with the expectation of emerging unscathed, but with the determination to grow stronger from the experience. It's the ability to look adversity in the eye and see it not as a barrier, but as a bridge to a better, more robust version of ourselves. But why is resilience so crucial in rendering you irreplaceable? Imagine a world that constantly tests your limits, where change is the only constant, and challenges lurk around every corner. In such a world, resilience is your shield and your spear. It ensures that when you're knocked down by life's inevitable trials, you're not out for the count. Instead, you rise, sometimes battered, always wiser, ready to face the next challenge. Creativity. Creativity is often misconstrued as a trait reserved for artists, writers, and musicians. Yet, at its core, creativity is the lifeblood of innovation in all its forms. It's the ability to see connections where others see divides, to imagine what doesn't yet exist, and to bring new solutions into being. Creativity is the daring to venture beyond the known, to experiment and to explore the myriad possibilities that lie just beyond the horizon of our imagination. So how does creativity cement your place as irreplaceable? Picture a world increasingly governed by algorithms and automation, where efficiency often trumps originality. In such a world, creativity becomes the human touch, the spark of original thought that machines cannot replicate. Your creative insights and innovations bring something to the table that no algorithm can: a touch of humanity, a dash of imagination, and a sprinkle of empathy. This ability to innovate, to dream up solutions that marry form with function, and to see the world not just as it is but as it could be, makes you a rare and irreplaceable gem. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.